Which animal has the most teeth in the world? Over 25,000. A. Shark. B. Dolphin. C. Snail. D. Crocodile. Correct answer is C. Snail. What is the only planet that spins sideways? A. Mars. B. Uranus. C. Neptune. D. Saturn. Correct answer is B. Uranus. Which is the only food that never spoils? A. Salt. B. Honey. C. Rice. D. Sugar. Correct answer is B. Honey. Which part of your body never grows after birth? A. Nose. B. Ears. C. Eyes. D. Hair. Correct answer is C. Eyes. Which bird can sleep while flying? A. Albatross. B. Eagle. C. Swan. D. Owl. Correct answer is A. Albatross. Which is the only bird that cannot walk? A. Penguin. B. Ostrich. C. Hummingbird. D. Kiwi. Correct answer is C. Hummingbird. Which is the heaviest living snake in the world? A. King cobra. B. Anaconda. C. Python. D. Viper. Correct answer is B. Anaconda. Which is the only country with no official rivers? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Egypt. C. Libya. D. Oman. Correct answer is A. Saudi Arabia. Which insect has ears on its legs? A. Grasshopper. B. Butterfly. C. Bee. D. Ladybug. Correct answer is A. Grasshopper. Which animal can survive both on land and in water for hours without breathing? A. Whale. B. Turtle. C. Crocodile. D. Frog. Correct answer is C. Crocodile.